So in this video we are going to learn about data models. So here you could see model view is there, and this one is the report view, this one is the table view, and this one is the model view, and this one is the DAX query view. So first we are going to explore the model view. So once we click on model view, so you could see that tables are appearing over here. Like we have 4 tables: orders, sales, facts, customers, and products. We have 4 tables, right? Not made any kind of relationship, but by default it is appearing, right? By default it is appearing. So how it is happening? First let's understand what is data model. So a data model organizes what it does, it organizes data into table, fields, and relationship. Okay, and tables are important, and if you make the visualization, so there would be no logic. Okay, without making the relationship, if you make the visualization, or if you make the visuals, then definitely that would not make any sense. Okay, so first we have to after transforming the data, this is the this is the must to do it. It's data model has the components. So there are certain components I would like to highlight here. Is that the first one is the table. So what table does, it stores data into rows and columns. I can show you here table view. So what it has done, it stores the data into rows and columns. Okay, so this is the row and this is the column, right? Now next is that relationship. So what it does, it defines the relationship tables. Okay, so when we import the data, by the time Power BI, Power BI, what it does, it goes into each and every table, and it finds the common data. So by default, Power BI, it goes to every table and checks the common column names and makes the relationship. So it defines the relationship by default, best suitable relationship. So you could see order table is there, and sales fact table is there. So relationship is already made. Okay, in between, here you could see this, then it is being highlighted, order ID and order date. So best suitable relationship is already made. However, if the requirement comes, then you could make your own relationship. You can make your own relationship if it is required. Now definitely it would be required. It's not like what of the Power BI makes the relationship, that would be sufficient for reporting purpose. It may happen, may not happen, but definitely as per the requirement we will have to make the relationship. Now here also you could see that the product ID and this sales facts table is having the product ID column, and product table is also having the product ID column. So relationship is already there. Now again you could see that order table is having the customer ID, and here customer table is having the customer ID. So relationship is already made. Okay, so this is done by Power BI itself. Now the modeling is required because it will have the clean and structured data, which means improved, which will improve the performance, and what it does, easier to scale report and dashboards, and what it does, it reduce the redundancy. Okay, so now suppose if you click on this, okay, if I double click on this, so what will happen, that this new pop-up is being opened here, and also you could see that from table and to table. So how it has been made, customer ID and customer table is in this order table customer ID is there, in this customer table customer ID is there. So relationship is already made. Okay, and as per the requirement, as I said, that you can change the relationship as the way you want. Okay, you can make like this, and you can say that this is my correct one, so you can do it. But as we see the data that customer ID is matching, so we should be selecting this one. So this is the way you can do it. Now if I do not require this relationship, suppose product ID, I do not require this relationship, so what we can do, we can right click and we have the delete option. So we can click on delete option. Once I click on delete option, so new pop-up is being appeared here, which is asking your permission. Okay, do you want to delete this table relationship, which is using data from the related tables might be broken. Okay, so if you want to delete, you can delete, and again now it has been deleted. Now again, if you want to make the relationship, so what you will have to do, you have to click on product ID and just drag this field to here. Okay, again see this same thing is happening from the products table and suspects table. Okay, product id it is matching, cardinality is 1 to 1. Okay, cross filter direction is both, and I click on save. So again relationship is made, right? Relationship is there. So this is all about model view. And as when we clicked here, double clicked, so this pop-up opened. Right now here the most important part is that cardinality. So this is very much important to understand what is cardinality. So, explore the cardinality feature in next video. Okay, so I would say that if you're excited to learn about Power BI, then I would request you to please subscribe this on the channel and like the video. Thank you very much. Let's meet in next video to learn about cardinality.